It's a 2019 Chevy Silverado. Salvage title. Has left 3/4 nose damage. Apron's got to be replaced. Radiator support. All the radiators, condensers, bumper, left fender, left headlight. Does not start. The computer on the left front has some damage. Needs to be replaced. Take a look under the hood. Whole apron on that side needs to be replaced. Radiator support, upper and lower, and this tie bar in the front. Bumper reinforcement with the bumper assembly. Headlight is broken. Take a look inside. Good work truck with the vinyl floor. Be on the website soon. Prices, details. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we'll keep our inventory posted on a daily basis. Thanks for watching.